Instant film cameras bring back the joy of capturing and holding memories in seconds. Whether you're a nostalgic photo lover or just enjoy the charm of physical prints, these cameras offer a fun and creative way to freeze moments on film. Perfect for parties, travel, or casual photography, they combine simplicity with a dash of retro flair. Today's top instant cameras come packed with useful features like auto exposure, built-in flash, selfie modes, and compact designs that are easy to carry. If you're looking to snap, print, and share memories instantly, these are the best picks available. Let's check out the top 5 instant film cameras that make photography feel both personal and effortlessly fun. Number 1. Fujifilm Mini 40 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax. Mini 40 is a stylish instant camera that produces credit card-sized photos. It uses Fujifilm Instax Mini Instant Film, delivering images measuring 62mm by 46mm. The camera features a 60mm f/12.7 lens with a shooting range from 0.3 meters onwards. For close-ups between 0.3 meters and 0.5 meters, the built-in selfie mode is recommended. Its automatic exposure control adjusts shutter speed and flash output based on ambient lighting, ensuring well-exposed photos in various conditions. The Instax Mini 40 is powered by 2 AA-size alkaline batteries, sufficient for approximately 10 film packs of 10 exposures each. Its classic design, combined with modern functionality, makes it suitable for both beginners and instant photography enthusiasts. Number 2. Fujifilm Mini Evo Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is a stylish hybrid instant camera that blends modern digital features with classic instant photography. It features a 1/5-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 2,560 by 1,920 pixel images. With 10 lens effects and 10 film effects, users can enjoy up to 100 creative combinations to personalize every shot. A 3.0-inch LCD screen allows easy previewing and editing before printing. The camera stores up to 45 images internally and supports micro SD cards for expanded memory. Built-in Bluetooth enables smartphone pairing for remote shooting and printing via the Instax Mini Evo app. Using Instax Mini Film, it prints vibrant, credit card-sized photos, making it perfect for creative expression, travel, or sharing memories instantly. Number 3. Polaroid Instant Film Camera. The Polaroid, now second-generation I-type instant film camera, offers a perfect mix of vintage charm and updated technology. Designed for easy point-and-shoot use, it features an autofocus 2-lens system that automatically switches for sharper photos at any distance. With creative tools like double exposure and a self-timer, users can explore unique shooting styles. It uses I-type and 600 film for flexibility, and the internal rechargeable battery powers up to 15 film packs per charge. Built with 40% recycled materials, it's both stylish and eco-conscious. The sleek black and white design adds a modern touch to its retro feel. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or artistic portraits, this camera brings instant photography to life. Number 4. Fujifilm Square SQ1 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 Instant Camera in chalk white offers a stylish and easy way to capture and share memories. Designed for simplicity, it features automatic exposure that adjusts the brightness for perfectly lit shots in any setting. Its square format film produces 2.4 by 2.4-inch prints, giving your photos a classic retro look. The built-in selfie mode is activated with a quick lens twist and includes a front mirror for accurate framing, perfect for close-ups and group shots. Its ergonomic design includes textured grips for comfortable handling. Powered by 2 CR2 batteries, it can support approximately 30 packs of film. ideal for anyone wanting instant prints with minimal fuss and maximum fun. Number 5. Fujifilm Mini 12 Instant Film Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Film Camera in pastel blue is designed for easy and fun instant photography. It features automatic exposure control, adjusting the settings for optimal brightness without the need for manual adjustments. The built-in selfie mirror and close-up mode, activated by twisting the lens, allow for clear and focused shots of subjects between 30 to 50 centimeters away. This camera uses Fujifilm Instax Mini Instant Film, producing 62mm by 46mm credit card-sized prints. It operates on 2 AA batteries, providing enough power for around 10 packs of film. Its compact size and simple controls make it perfect for capturing moments and sharing them instantly with friends and family.